Is your iPhone sending low-quality images from iMessage? Hi there, if you're experiencing low-quality image sending issues in iMessage, try out these potential solutions. So let's get started. Solution 1, turn off low-quality image mode. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Message, scroll down, toggle off the low-quality image mode. Solution 2, turn off low data mode. Open Setting, tap Mobile Data, tap the Mobile Data option, tap Data Mode, select Allow Data on 5G or Standard. Solution 3, reset network settings. Sometimes network settings can cause issues with image quality. To reset your network settings, go to the Settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset. Reset network settings. Keep in mind that this will erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords. So, make sure to have them handy. After following all the processes, your problem will be solved. If you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.